This is the goodie box that I got from my housing association. Then essentially Diggin and my accommodation are working together on this. Inside the box, one of the Diggin comprehensive guide for first year student, which I found, in which I can see a variety of things such as to-do list, NTU survival advice, and a game called the ladder that is comparably to a dare game. I may scan and use the Diggin app features, the map specifications. They help me to understand what I should do throughout my first week of my freshman year, learn about the upcoming activities in Nottingham. Then they gave me a leaflet from HSBC Bank. I was given a QR code in that booklet, and with the aid of that QR code, I was able to open a bank account. Then come a domino menu. This is basically what this is. Students who are seeking anything late at night can scan the QR code and place an order. Then they gave me a rail card pamphlet which contain a QR code for rail card, which I could scan and receive a 30% discount on a yearly subscription. Then they gave me a National Express brochure as well. The pamphlet in question contain a QR code. I can get some benefit the QR code if I scan it. There's a QR code, and if I scan it I can get a free ride. Then they gave me a gift cap SIM card which came with an excellent deal, which I intended to use in a place of a SIM card for sure. Then they gave me a phone as well. Not a phone, this is merely a creative Uniday brochure. As a student, I may take advantage of this to save money on a several purchase. I bought a lot of things from Apple, Samsung, Nike, and Uber Eats, but I don't have money right now. This is the Apple phone I'm talking about. Then they gave me a Diggin coupon as well. This coupon QR code is visible to me. I can get the price of about £1,000 after scanning the QR code and entering the promo code. They supply me with a Marmite Yes. They gave me a peanut butter cup candy, which is comparably the Snickers. After that, they gave me a drink made of a apple cider and me a cup of noodles that I will have fun with it. I will just dig in now because I'm craving something, and for sure I definitely give you the feedbacks after some time for sure. Now I'm just craving, so I take a bite. Thank you so much for looking into it. Thank you so much.